Hi everyone, I am here to share some cards I received in the month of January. January was my birth month. They're still trickling in. I just got one on, I don't know if it was Friday or Saturday because I never got the mail in on Friday, but one of those 2 days. So anyway, I got a late Christmas card. It was actually mailed December 7th and I got it on the 15th. This is from Metal Scrappin' Chick, who is Kim. Hi Kim, thank you so much for the cute kitty. I actually already did message her, and look how this opens. It's so adorable. So it kind of lifts up like this, and then we have Meowie Christmas because it's a cute kitty. She knows I love kitties and she loves kitties too. So thank you, Kim, for the Christmas card. And then the rest are all birthday cards, and they're from people on my upline. Dina shares a group team page with two other well-known Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, independent demonstrators, and we have a birthday rack listing. So I finally got my January cards out, so I apologize, ladies. If you were in January, they should be there or coming. For the ones I knew were on the list anyway. And February's will be coming out right around the 1st of February. Anyway, I'm doing better this year. So far, last year I didn't get any out, I don't think, and I felt so bad. So this is the first one. This I think is I don't know if this is Boho Indigo or the vases, one of the vases sets that retired. I can't remember. Stitched rectangles, and she's very smart. She put a piece of paper in to protect from the, I have to remember to do that, to protect from the rhinestones going through the envelope. This is from Joan, so thank you so much, Joan, for the lovely card. And then I'm going to move them out of the way up here. This uses the Flowers for Every Season set, the papers, and I love how she did the triangles. And I believe that's on Misty Moonlight. Excuse me one sec. Sorry about that. I had a sneeze coming on. Anyway, this one is from Sally. And look at the cute, she heat embossed butterflies and wishing you the happiest of birthdays. And these, I forget what they're from. They might be from a paper pumpkin kit from before. So thank you, Sally, for the beautiful card. And the next one's also from that collection, Flowers for Every Season, and it's done differently though. And this is also heat embossed in black embossing powder, and then I guess she colored it in with markers. It's really cool how she did it. It makes it really pop, but it's definitely raised, so it's definitely embossed with, I think, black embossing powder. And this is from Sharon. Thank you so much, Sharon, for the beautiful card. Some of them wrote in them and some wrote notes that I could take out, but I won't reuse the cards. I just use them for inspiration. And also I appreciate getting the birthday cards. So anyway, and now this paper is the Dragonfly Garden, or Garden Wishes. I forget the name of the paper. It's in the Dragonfly Garden Suite, or I think it's called, in the new mini, or January to June 2021. So I have to remember to do this design. I forget sometimes to do these thinner rectangular layers, and I love it. Oops, sorry. This is from Barbara. It says, enjoy your special day, with the dragonflies. I love those little dragonflies. So thank you, Barbara. And then this is another gorgeous one. I think this is the Fine Arts new paper, and this is the embossing folder that's in that set. I think it's just called Fine Art. Hang on. What is it called? It is called Painted Texture 3D Embossing Folder. That's what she used here. And it's on Petal Pink. Really pretty. And then she did a scalloped edge here. Very pretty. And this is from Alexandra. Thank you, Alexandra. And she used a beautiful washi tape also on her envelope. And some people, two of them, I think this next one, yeah, I'll show you in a minute. Now this is using the die from the sunflowers in the annual catalog. just done in white and put on white. Really unique idea. I love that. And then stamping and coloring one to make it pop with some gold thread, probably out of Forever Greenery if I'm not mistaken. And then this is hand fussy cut. I think she heat embossed that on a dark, I can't tell if it's black or early espresso. I think it's early espresso with white, and she fussy cut that. I love that look. I hate doing it. I'm not good at it. Anyway, very pretty. Thank you to, and she says she's a new fellow team member, Stacy. Thank you, Stacy. And she put hers in Stampin' Up! Sells these clear envelopes. So she had it in the white envelope and then inside the clear, and the clears would have the stamps on. I never think to do that. I'll have to start doing that. So thank you, Stacy. And then this one, I remember this was the Gift of Fall add-on. And, but this is a stamp from the Happy Birthday, I forget the name of it, but I have that stamp set also. So thank you for that. And this is from Joy. It's alright, that's a little bit late, still in the birth month. Now this next one is from Beverly, who I met at On Stage Local in Connecticut, not in 2020, obviously, in 2019. That was my first On Stage. She has the pet kit out of the annual catalog. How cute is that? I didn't get that set. Now I'm kind of regretting it. Oh, thanks, Beverly, for enticing me to get this. She also happy belated. Now her birthday's in January too, so hers is a little belated as well. So I hope she gets it okay. Now this one is from, this is the Peaceful Boughs set. Beautiful. It's one of my faves for the holidays, but it's a happy birthday card. Looks like shaded spruce and soft suede. And this is from Bev. Thank you, Bev. Beautiful card. I don't know some of these folks, but they're on the team, so I appreciate all these birthday wishes. This is from Melanie. Now, some of you will recognize her. Melanie Foy. She joins in my lives often. So thank you, Melanie. And I am going to apologize because I believe her birthday also was this month, and I sent her a card, but I'm pretty sure she's the one that said she likes people to write in the card and not on a note inside. Yeah, I might have messed that up. Sorry about that. But she offset this is now retired blue glimmer paper, and I think this is Balmy Blue, but it could be Seaside Spray. Anyway, and this is the recently retired Snowflake Splendor paper. So this is Melanie. Yes, many more years of friendship, and she actually gave me a little something. That's why it's in a bigger envelope. So thank you for that, Melanie. And then this one I might have shown on a live already. This was the first one I got, I believe. And this is that beautiful lily pond paper. Beautiful. And I forget which set this comes out of, but I love it. I'm sure I have it too. This is from Sherry, and she also used that same birthday set, wishing you the happiest of birthdays. So thank you, Sherry. And then this one, I forget who it's from, is from Penny. Thank you, Penny. Now this is different too because it's a frame and the paper is under it. The paper is not pieced, it's single paper. So it must be an older paper because I don't remember that one. And I think she doodled this, or she has a stamp. I'm not sure which, but it looks really good and even. I would never be able to doodle that even. So super pretty with the heart. So thank you, Penny. I think, right, Penny? Yes, Penny. And then this is from my upline Dina. So pretty, and the balloons are from designer papers punched out. I think that punch is still in the annual catalog. I don't have that one actually. Yeah, this is Dina. Thank you, Dina. Very bright and cheerful, which is a Dina thing. And then two more. This one, I love how she did this too. This is the stitched nested label dies, but she used the negative and brushed on colors in 3 layers. And then this is Something I haven't used yet, but hope to. The Corner Bouquet from Celebration. And it looks like it's on terracotta tile or calypso coral. I think terracotta tile maybe. And this is from Teresa. Thank you so much, Teresa. She also wrote on the inside of her card. I used to do that. And then this is stamped right on the card. There's no extra bumping it up except for the ribbon. I like how she did that. It's a very nice card. Thank you. They're all lovely. And I think she also had it in the plastic. And yeah, she did. And then this one uses that same stamp. These are the Brights Designer Series paper and purple posy, it looks like. Yeah, purple posy ribbon, and the dots from Playing with Patterns. And this is from Melinda. Thank you very much, Melinda. So loads of birthday cards. I don't think I've ever gotten so many birthday cards. I'm not even sure last year that I got that many. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And I am doing better this year. Like I said, I got January's out finally. I think one of them got there maybe a little early and the rest were a little late. So I apologize for that. But I'm trying to do better. I have to make more birthday cards because I just do have to make more. So yeah, like I said, I know one year I had asked people to make cards for my mother's 90th birthday party, which they did, and thank you so much for that. And then my Christmas card. I had some other Christmas cards too, but I think I either showed them before or something. They're downstairs, put away already. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I didn't want to take the time to do this on my live tonight because there were so many of them. So I thought I'd share them with you all now. And we have a great team. If you're interested in joining the team with me as your upline, I would love for you to do that. I will put the link down below to my email. That's the best way to ask me any questions about it, and I'd be happy to have you on my team. Now, it is a little team, but because I'm on a bigger team, you also get the benefits of being on a larger team as well. So I hope you will consider that. There's some great benefits to joining Stampin' Up! Now. You get an extra package of 5 packages of 6x6 Designer Series paper right now. Plus, through the end of February, if you join now and you have any sales or other people join your team, you have some perks coming from Stampin' Up! Depending on the level of sales and things. So anyway, yeah, contact me if you're at all interested, and I'll be glad to discuss that with you. So thank you so much, and enjoy your day, and I will be back on 7 p.m. Eastern this evening, which is Sunday the 24th. Thank you again. Bye for now.